Nikola Tesla is Croatian? So lately I came across comments like this more and more and more and more. So I decided to do my own investigation. So he was born on July 10th, 1856 in a village of Smiljan, present-day Croatia. Oh, you see, born in Croatia, that makes him Croatian. Which was a part of Austro-Hungarian Empire back in 1856 when Nikola Tesla was born. Wait, does that make him Austro-Hungarian then, though? Yeah, I'm not sure that this is how ethnicity works, though, right? So anyway, village of Smiljan in an ethnic Serb family, and his father was this guy, Milutin Tesla. Wait, isn't Milutin like a Serbian name, though? Yeah? Anyway, his dad was an Orthodox priest. Wait, so Croatia is now Orthodox too? What the hell am I missing? Was I living under a rock though?
Catholic.
You're Catholic? So why was a Croatian guy then an Orthodox priest? What? You guys are so weird and you're confusing me, man. Anyway, I was digging a little bit more, wink wink, and I was able to find the tombstone of Nikola Tesla's father. So it has these little weird Croatian letters here.
No.
What? They're not Croatian?
No.
What do you mean?
They're not.
But Croatians can read this, right?
Well, no, my grandpa
No?
can.
Your grandpa can? What the? So it's like some old Croatian language letters?
No, it's
What?
Serbian.
They're Serbian? Lutinu... Leslie? Blagovo... Sin... Nikola. Ha! Ha! So as you all know, Nikola Tesla was living in America and doing all these crazy things, inventions and good stuff for the world, but then he died on 7th of January 1943. Isn't 7th of January like an Orthodox Christmas? No, that's rough. Dying on Orthodox Christmas as a Croatian must be crazy though. So during his funeral, by his specific request, a patriotic Serbian song called Tamo Leko was played. Wait, why would the Croatian guy request a patriotic Serbian song? Was played by his friend, Croatian violinist Zlatko Balokovic. What the hell is happening here? So we have a Croatian scientist requesting Serbian patriotic song, and then a Croatian violinist is coming to play this in the middle of America. Wow, we must be living in some upside down parallel universe. This is crazy, yo. Of course, after his death, many monuments in his name was built up. Yeah, some statues and stuff like that. So there is one statue in America having a very specific message that was words of Nikola Tesla himself. Were I to have the good fortune to implement at least some of my ideas, it will be for the benefit of the entire humankind. If my hopes come true, the sweetest thought would be that it was achieved by a Serbian. Oh yeah, and on the other side of this statue, there is the same text only written in, well, I guess, Serbian letters. And on the front statue, it says, Serbian and American. Nevertheless, you can find the same type of statue in capital city of Croatia called Zagreb, and also Nikola Tesla's face is on their money too, of the coin of 50 cents. Doesn't that basically mean that you guys build a statue to a Serbian guy and he's sitting in the middle of your capital and you put his face on your money too? It's kind of rough though, isn't it though? And of course, honorable mentions, you can find these kind of statues in Belgrade, Serbia too, because yeah, of course you can. So there we go, Nikola Tesla is Croatian. Is he though? Really though? Hey, at least there was a Croatian guy playing that violin though.